We are Bluegum Browns Maintenance. We work in the north of the state, around Launceston. We have 5 supervisors and around 20 crew members, all of whom have a disability and are NDIS funded. A lot of all of our jobs require job safety analysis to be signed and understood. We have policies and procedures that have to be obeyed, and workplace safety, etc., etc. And so there was a lot of education involved in those, that even some of our long-term employees who have been here for over 15 years didn't necessarily comprehend thoroughly. And so we thought we could benefit from that as well.
We ended up making all the signs around here, like that we didn't have at the workshop, like the training signs and flammable liquid signs and all that.
Like, we should not, how do we aware accidents? Like tripping hazards, slipping hazards, and broken glass.
She also got involved in the fundraising that NOS do, as our parent company, in the Bunnings barbecues, and had a few of the guys that would go along regularly that were learning how to handle money and give change and all that sort of thing.
Learn how to cook stuff, and how to give money and change like that, and greet people and say hello to people like that, and yeah.
I think that the guys have actually bonded a lot better because of their understanding. They've not only learnt to understand the policies and procedures more, but because of that they've helped each other. And so the whole atmosphere in the last 6 months has changed in a very positive way.
Yeah, it's been pretty good.